Hi! Today I'm going to continue my series called One Day, One Picture. Let's get going! So, today I'll draw this mountain. I feel like it should be like this. I like it. It's cute. Look how cute it is standing here. This should be a poster. Just kidding. Okay, so I'll draw the 10. I have to draw the 10. 1 is made. 0, 2. Okay, so a line, perfect. And this is just too short. And this one. Okay, now good. So I guess I'll start the face once again. Just to make it cute. And face. So here, the mountain base. And now the grass. And I'll just like this. Some here lines to make it more realistic. So yeah. Now I have to make the snow and time for sparkles. Sparkles. Boink, 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 boink. Here. 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 And here. Now time for the dots. Dot, 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 dot. There's never too much dots. Here. Good enough. Well, this will stay here. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!